Maluko party sa Tuzang Iya sa natin ang Swahili Cats hosting us here for the first GBL All-Star Game Challenge us their love of sport of basketball, or we also have a celebration this afternoon. Can your host be strengthened physically or good? And you must to answer the phone. Now, without further ado, let us have our league chairman, G dito. Let's our first Sampa for 3, Sampa for 2, doesn't count. Okay, from TP9, Granville. 2 points. Team over Kajako, Sakanya. Pass to the assistant coach. Let's go. Di na pinatira sa test. 14. Ito na pasa. Datang movement. Sampai number 3. Anniversary up. Coach Panin. Dalawang bansang sa pamatay. Coach John. Looking for the man. Michael. Alright, so here we go, last ball. Uy, nabasa na Magalia. 7, 6. Yes, and aside from that, Arto, first, magkala ko sa may team play ngayon, ginulang ka rin, nakauluman po ngayon yung mga kadula is mag-team overs and the-overs sa mga people.
The second judge will be sealed in honor of 4G Sports Active Rep. We have Chapet Onke, and of course, presenting the vice mayors of Iligan City, we have Poch Abemenosa, and of course, we have Councilor David Shao. Carry with this second. Wow. Easy now.